In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a transparent background picture in PowerPoint. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you'd like to add a transparent background image. This will allow you to focus on the specific slide you want to enhance with a transparent image. Next, click on the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. This tab contains various options for adding elements like images, shapes, and more to your slide. Once the Insert tab is open, look for the Pictures option and select it. You will then see choices such as this device or online pictures to find the image you wish to use. Choose the option that suits your needs and select your desired image. With your image inserted into the slide, it's time to adjust its transparency. Click on the image to activate the Picture Format tab on the ribbon. This tab provides various tools to edit your image properties. Now, within the Picture Format tab, locate the Transparency option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with a selection of preset transparency levels. Select the level of transparency that fits your slide's design best. This change will make your image blend smoothly with the slide's background. If you need more control over the transparency level, select Picture Transparency Options at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen where you can use the slider to fine-tune the transparency to your exact preference. Finally, ensure that your transparent image works well with the slide's content and layout. Adjust its position or size as needed to achieve the desired visual effect. Your slide should now have a professional and polished look with the newly set transparent background image. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to set a transparent background picture in PowerPoint, enhancing the visual appeal of your presentation.